Hello, this is the training video for the CleanClix tool. Using this tool is by invitation only, so if you do not have an account with CleanClix, you can reach out to us at info@myrecipemagic.com and we can give you some more information. But most of you already have your account and you've already received instructions on how to put this bookmarklet up here on your toolbar, and you should have that already loaded on your toolbar. And once you have a CleanClix account, you can go there and click on the dashboard tab and you'll see the information. CleanClix is a way to monetize your social media accounts, and so here you can actually generate links for Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, your website, or your email campaigns, and by sending these links out you can receive compensation from us. Right now I want to show you how to use this bookmarklet tool, which is very slick, and it's designed just for your Pinterest accounts to begin with. So you want to go and open your Pinterest account and then go over to your Recipe Magic page. If you can actually pin any recipe from Recipe Magic and receive compensation, but if you pin your own recipes, you'll get a double benefit because you'll also be sending traffic back to your website where that recipe is listed. So if you go to your profile page by clicking here, and then click on the Recipes tab, you'll see all of your recipes, and you can pick any recipe and open it up. So once you have a recipe open, all you need to do is click on that little Clix toolbar, and it gives you options of which recipe you want to generate a Pinterest pin for. It automatically generates that pin, gives you an option of choosing the boards. It'll list all your boards here. I just created this dummy account so it has one board, and you save it on there, or you can create a new board and put them there. And then you can go right inside Pinterest. Once that's loaded, it's pinned, and you can share it with other people. You can edit it, anything you'd like to do. Now you have a unique link to this particular pin, and when someone clicks on it, it takes them back to My Recipe Magic, and you receive compensation for that each time that happens. You can actually track your compensation on the dashboard right here. It'll tell you how many clicks you're getting and what your earning is each day. It'll show you how much you make per click, and you'll be able to see your revenues start growing, and we pay out the money as soon as we receive it from the advertiser, so you'll get it as quickly as we do. You can also generate links for your other social media platforms by going to the recipe and just grabbing that URL, copying it, and then going back to your dashboard and make sure you have specified it's coming from My Recipe Magic. You paste the link in here, then you specify which platform you want to use it for. So we want to generate a link for Facebook, and you just click on Create Link, and there you have a link that you can cut and paste and put it on your Facebook post, and it works just like Pinterest. Anybody that clicks on that, you get paid for. You can do the same thing with your emails or on your website or on Twitter. So this is a very simple process. You saw how quickly we were able to do that. It's just like any other traffic generating or revenue generating strategy. You just have to be consistent, make a goal to pin or generate 10 or more CleanClix URLs a day and put them out there on your social media, and you can watch your traffic grow to your site, and you can watch earnings grow here on your CleanClix dashboard, and you'll be making really good money very soon. So good luck with that. We'll be having more training sessions in the future, and we hope you have a great time using this new exciting tool. Thank you.